Hey, now it's Anthony with A&A Professional Services, and before we start this video, go ahead and join the New Wave Facebook group. A scarcity mindset is when you are so obsessed with the lack of something, usually time or money, that you can't seem to focus on anything else, no matter how hard you try. Yo, that's real. I think that all of us are suffering or have suffered from this mindset. You can have all the tools, all the resources, and still feel like it's not enough. How many of you didn't purchase things you wanted or needed all because you wanted a few extra dollars in your bank account, simply because you didn't know where your next dollar was coming from? I know that feeling. Working for yourself can be very stressful. If you're a part-time business owner with limited income, you may hold on to every dollar. This is why we charge lower prices, because if the prices is too high, they'll say no. In your mind, there isn't enough customers, there's too much competition, or you're just not good enough. But in actuality, you are. You let people talk your prices down just to make a sale. See, what we all need is an abundance mindset. There's more than enough customers to go around, more than enough customers that are looking to pay for your services, and more than enough customers that are willing to pay a higher price. Knowing through all the no's, there are a few yeses that will set you up for endless opportunities. A person that has an abundance mindset knows that opportunities are not scarce. It only takes one customer and 7 degrees of separation to get all the opportunities rolling in. You gotta believe that it will work. Faith without works is dead. Lack of information will cause you to have a scarcity mindset. So learn your craft and your market. Know your customers and how to target them. Don't be afraid to put yourself out there and make mistakes. Mistakes can be good, but only if you learn from them. Remember, opportunities only come when you put yourself out there. So get off the porch. Come outside. Don't let fear stop you. Shouts out to the New Wave. Peace.